Did you know that there are 30.5 million beef steers in the U.S.? Beef is an important part of my life. Since I was 8 years old, I've been showing steers. Today, I will demonstrate to you how to show a steer. First, I will tell you what you need to do to be prepared for showing. Then, I will teach you proper arena presence. And lastly, I will teach you how to set up a steer. Showing steers takes a lot of dedication, but with knowledge, skill, and a lot of preparation, you will succeed. There are many different things you need to be prepared for show day. Proper clothing is one of them. When I show, I like to wear a bright colored shirt because it helps you stand out to the judge and shows that you have more confidence. Bootcut jeans to go over your boots because skinny jeans are not professional. You need the right kind of halter, which is this. It's a leather show halter with a chain on the bottom for your steer. A show stick, which you use to set up a steer. And a show brush, which is if the judge comes and brushes your steer with their hand, messes up their hair, then you fix it with the brush. And I use this to hold the comb. And that can go on your belt or it can go in your pocket. Now that I have my things to show, I will now teach you correct arena presence. How you present yourself can affect the outcome of your placing. I think the two important things that you have to know, or that you need to do, are have confidence and eye contact. When you have confidence, it shows that you know what you're doing and it will help you get to the top. When you're walking with your steer, you want to have their head held up high. You want to have your head up high too, and that will help show you the judge that you know what you're doing. And you'll have your show stick in your left hand, and you'll hold it kind of up far, and you'll hold the steer's head up, and you'll walk with kind of a wide stride, so you aren't walking slow and you aren't walking too fast. Now, eye contact. When you walk into the arena, you want to watch the judge at all times. And while you're watching the judge, you also need to watch your steer too, so you know that he's not going to go crazy or whatever. In these two pictures, you can see that in that picture, I'm watching the judge. And in this picture, I'm holding up the steer's head and having eye contact with the judge. Arena presence is important. However, good placement of your steer can also affect your outcome. There are a few easy steps to setting up a steer. First, you have to hold the steer's head up. Now, when you walk into the arena, you will walk in and you'll hold his head up and you'll line up side by side. So you'll line up like this, and all the steers will be lined up. There will probably be 8 people in the class, and you'll set them up square. When you set them up square, the front 2 feet are next to each other and the back 2 are next to each other too. And when you're setting up a steer, if you can't get their attention and they won't sit up, you rub their tummy a few times and then you try again. Now, the other way that you set up a steer is when the judge will tell you to walk around. So if I'm the first person, you then will walk around and go this way, and you will set them up head to tail. And when you set them up head to tail, you set them up staggered, which is the foot between the judge and the steer. It will be forward a little bit, but it can't be too far forward because it will be too stretched. But it can't be too far back because then it will look like it's in between staggered and square. Knowing these things will help you be a successful showman. Showing a steer takes a lot of dedication, but with knowledge, skill, and a lot of preparation, you will succeed. There are multiple things you need to have for show day, like proper clothes, the right halter, show stick, and show brush. When showing any animal, you have to know how to walk with it and have proper arena presence. Setting up a steer correctly will help lead you to the top. These are important things to know when showing a steer. George Lucas once said, "Always remember, your focus determines your reality."